Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss some healthy foods that can help lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health issue that can lead to serious health problems if not controlled. By incorporating these blood pressure-lowering foods into your diet, you can help keep your heart and overall health in good shape. 1. Leafy greens. Dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with nutrients like potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Additionally, they are low in sodium, which can help prevent water retention and lower blood volume. 2. Avocados. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. These nutrients can help lower blood pressure by reducing inflammation, balancing electrolytes, and improving blood flow. 3. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help lower blood pressure. Omega-3 South can also help improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa are rich in fiber, which can help regulate blood pressure. Fiber can also help slow down the absorption of cholesterol, reducing the risk of buildup in the arteries. 5. Beans and legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, which can help lower blood pressure by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy digestion. They are also low in sodium, making them a great addition to any meal. 6. Berries and fruits. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants and fiber. These antioxidants can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, fiber can help regulate blood pressure by improving digestion and preventing overeating. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol. This can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and lower blood pressure. In conclusion, incorporating these blood pressure-lowering foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to maintain your heart and overall health. So, start adding more leafy greens, avocados, salmon, whole grains, beans and legumes, berries, and olive oil to your meals for a healthier, happier you.